Today we're going to look at some basic minor chords. Some of the chords that we'll look at are called open chords because they incorporate a string that is not fingered, so the open string is allowed to vibrate freely. Strings that are played are symbolized by the O on the chord chart for open, and the X symbolizes a string that is not played. The F and B chords that we will look at today are an exception to this and are known as bar chords. To form a bar chord, we use a finger to push down across multiple strings, like a bar going across the fretboard. These are a bit more challenging to play and require a bit more practice until you have the dexterity in your fingers to form the bar shape. The chord should sound like this. A. B. C. D. E. F. And G. The chord spelling is a term used to describe the tones from a major scale that make up a chord. For a minor triad, we use the root note, the flat third, and the fifth note from the major scale. The flat third gives us the minor tonality for the triad. The notes for each chord are written underneath each chart. Notice that there are only 3 notes in each chord, although some of them are repeated. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.